In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website in Squarespace. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a site in Squarespace is permanent and can't be undone. If there's anything you might want later, pages, images, blog posts, consider exporting or saving copies first. Also, if you have connected services such as a custom domain or email billed through Squarespace, review those separately so you don't interrupt anything you still need. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to the Squarespace website, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens your account menu. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This is your home base where all of your sites and projects are listed. Find the site you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites that look similar. When you've identified the right site, move to the right-hand side of its tile or row and click the three dots. That's the More Options button, and it reveals additional actions for that specific site. In the menu that appears, click Delete. Squarespace immediately displays a confirmation screen. This is your final checkpoint. Read the prompt carefully. This is where Squarespace reminds you that deleting the site removes its content and access. If you're working with collaborators or active customers, consider whether you need to notify anyone or archive anything first. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means your permissions are limited and you may need the site owner or an administrator to complete this action. When you're absolutely sure, click delete again to confirm. After a brief moment, the site will be removed from your account dashboard. That's it. The website is deleted. A few closing tips to keep things tidy. If you are using a custom domain purchased through Squarespace and you no longer need it, check your domain settings and billing to avoid future charges. If your domain is managed elsewhere, you can keep it for future projects or point it to a different platform. For sites with commerce features, make sure you've settled any open orders or exports before deletion so you don't lose necessary records. To recap, sign into Squarespace, open your profile menu, go to Account Dashboard, choose the site you want to remove, click the three dots, select Delete, review the warning, and confirm by clicking Delete again. Follow those steps and you'll cleanly remove a Squarespace website with confidence.